It is our pleasure to have you back on Tech Library. Today, it is time to plunge into the world of social networks and dedicate the article to the topic, How to Create a Business Account in Instagram. If you are representing a business firm that would like to create a business page, or you are an artist, this video encapsulates all you need. So, let's get started. The first action to take involving an account on Instagram is sign up. This can be done through the use of application on your smartphone, either in the App Store or Google Play, depending on your smartphone model. After the installation process, to sign up, one needs to open the application and click on the Sign Up tab. This can either be done by signing up through your email address or your phone number, or you can use your Facebook account to sign up with ease. Subsequently, one has to select a username according to his/her brand or identity in a professional setting. It has to be easy to remember and also connected with your sphere of specialization. Do not use symbols like the $, euros or talents that must seem complicated to your viewers. Now it's time to fill in the gaps of the profile that will be used in advertising. Ensure that you submit a high-quality picture, preferable an organization emblem if you own one, or a passport-style photo. Placement of a concise bio that goes exactly to the point, either about who you are or what products and services your business provides. Ensure that you lodge relevant keywords in the proper places to assist other people to find you. If it is for business purpose and you are creating a new Instagram account, then it is recommended to add your business details. Go to Edit Profile and then to Contact Options, where you can put your business email, phone number, and physical address. This assists the prospective customers in getting in touch with you more easily. To unlock Instagram's features and tools meant for businesses, it is necessary to convert a profile to a professional one. Tap on the Settings menu option, down to Account, and finally tap on Switch to Professional Account. Here, one can select if they want to open a business account or a creator's account, depending on one's preference. Connecting your Instagram profile to a Facebook page is helpful for the use in joint advertising and analyzing your audience. To do this, click on the link Settings, then Account, and finally, Linked Accounts. I would follow the instructions that are given by the application to link the two accounts successfully. After your account's been created, the key to engagement lies in sharing good, well-targeted content that concerned audiences could relate to. People who buy your products and services or seek your services use Instagram, take advantage of the Instagram feature such as Stories, Reels, and IGTV to market your products, service, or expertise. The use of proper hashtags should also be applied to get a larger audience. This is in accordance with the regulating and benchmarking feature provided on Instagram, known as Instagram Insights. Engagement and activity reports, demographic information, and your audience's distribution competence make this tool effective. We hope this information will help you to improve the planning of contents and expand an audience. Thus, observing the above-mentioned steps, you have configured a professional Instagram account that is likable and set for launching. Depending on if you have a business or a brand that you'd like to promote, Instagram has helpful features to communicate and share your work. Remember to like and share the video. Also, do not forget to subscribe for more tech tips and how-to. That was our show, Tech Library. Be sure to tune in for the next episode.